Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a advent calendar unboxing. Look at this advent calendar. This has to be the biggest one I have seen. Well, actually it's pretty comparable to last year's, but this one is the Glossybox advent calendar. They do an advent calendar every single year. It's usually very popular and it does usually sell out, so they just made it available. They did send this over to me, so I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing since these are huge calendars. It's a $99 advent calendar, but the value is supposed to be over $500, which is crazy. So we're gonna see what came inside this year. If you guys are unfamiliar with Glossybox, it's actually a subscription box, but their advent calendars seem to be a really good deal. It's really similar to the Look Fantastic advent calendar as well. I don't know if that's under the same company or what, but yeah, we're gonna see what is inside. All the doors here, I believe it is a countdown of 25 days of Christmas. Super heavy, beautiful packaging though, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we do have a little pamphlet. It has spoilers inside, so we won't look at that. Like I mentioned, this is a $99 advent calendar. I do have a code though that you guys can use. I'll have it up here, which does save you $10 off, so you guys can feel free to use that if this is something you're interested in. But I do want to see if I think that this is worth it. So I think I remember this last time. It came in 3 compartments. And then the boxes are inside, so we're gonna have to like go all over the place to find all the correct numbers. So I'm just gonna pull these out now while we're here, so it'll be easier. So there's 4 compartments of boxes. We're gonna go number 1 through 25. I don't know which is supposed to be which, but that's what we're doing today. So here is box number 1. And inside here, this smells amazing. This is by the brand Neom Organics London. It's the Perfect Night's Sleep scented candle. No wonder it smelled so good. So that's exciting. I don't think we've had a candle yet in the advent calendar, so pretty cool product to include. It's very lavender scented, super strong. It honestly smells like a spa or something. Very gorgeous. It does say these are 100% natural, no harsh chemicals, no artificial colors, and 100% naturally derived wax. All right, moving on to number 2. We have something from Authentic Beauty Concept. And it looks like this is a hairspray. A really decent size. It's not full size, but it's not like a tiny sample size. This said, Authentic Beauty is real, honest, and purpose-driven. Vegan formulas. It says free from microplastics, mineral oil, parabens, and silicones. I could definitely use some hairspray, especially a travel one. I always need a hairspray for whenever I'm curling my hair, so I'm definitely going to check this one out. It is a stronghold, so I am excited for that. Number 3. This is from Elemis. This is a pretty popular brand. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cleanser, so it is a deluxe size here of their cleanser. I know my lighting is kind of bright, so hopefully these colors are showing up okay on camera. So another travel size. We haven't really got any full size products yet. I guess you could consider the candle full size, but I still think it is a little size. All right, I apologize if I get off track. I am on number 4, I think. Number 4 includes a full-size product. This is the makeup eraser. So this is like a little cloth that takes your makeup off with just water. It's pretty nice to have on hand. It is reusable, so it's definitely better for the environment than like a makeup wipe. So these are nice. I just know with these you have to tug a little bit, so I don't like to use them all the time, but if I'm in like a pinch, it will work for getting makeup off. Number 5 here. All right, so we got some Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask from them. Always a favorite to have. I think I'm out of mine, so this is perfect. I do enjoy Glow Recipe products, and their watermelon line smells amazing. It's like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. This is a smaller size, but I mean, it's a good size. They do sell this size on Sephora, I think. It says it has AHA to hydrate and smooth for post facial results in 1 jar. Really good stuff. So that is the next item. On to number 6. I really don't know how to say that brand, but this is the Love Veritable Cream. And it says it's a hand cream with 3 Arctic berries in it. I'll go ahead and try some. I'm guessing the pamphlet probably has a little bit more info about the products. Like, I have no clue what this does, what the benefits are of these Arctic berries. It smells good though. It smells fresh. It's not like a berry scent at all. But it feels really smooth on the hands. So this is going to be a really nice hand cream. I've actually needed to replenish my hand cream collection because I've been kind of like slacking on applying it, and a lot of my hand creams have gone bad actually. So this came at just in time. Number 7. We have a little Miko Beauty. This is a blush on cheek stick. It says long wearing buildable color and the shade is bronze. I don't know if this is full size. It's actually a very pretty color. I think this is going to be really nice. It seems like a nice medium kind of buildable formula. Alright, I think we're on number 8 now. And this looks like a full size. This is by Figs in Rouge. I feel like I've heard of this brand before. This is the Clarity, it says. Skin Perfection, Glow, Revitalize, Smooth, and Hydrate. So it looks like it's a serum. It says use morning or night. Yeah, so it is a serum you apply before moisturizer. I like the packaging on this. It seems fun. I feel like a lot of these brands might be UK based, so I'm not familiar with a lot of them. Okay, number 9 is next. This is by Cab Beauty. This brand is now at Walmart. I don't know what it stands for. I think it's 3 sisters possibly that have their own brand, but we have a lip liner and a lip gloss in Charming, and these are the colors that we got. So this is Charming. You get a matching little set. Here is the lip liner swatch. It leans more on the reddish pink side, and then the gloss looks like this. So that is the lip products swatched, both a full-size lip set. For number 10 here, we got a little mini Victor and Rolf Flower Balm. I feel like they had Flower Balm last year too as the scent. It is one of the, I think, like drop on, so it's not a spray, but this is one of my favorite perfumes. It's really good, more like a sweet floral, but it's really gorgeous. I love it for like a night out. It lasts so long on the skin. So that is Flower Balm. All right, number 11. We have a little scrubby brush. I feel like we got this last time too, but I think you can use this to like exfoliate. It's like a little dry brush, or you could just use it like to clean in the shower, clean your nails with it, whatever. So we got a little brush with a handle. Number 12. This one's pretty light. Let's see. Oh, we got a little makeup brush. This is actually by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. We got a little kabuki. This is something you could just stick in your purse for touching up throughout the day. All right, number 13. This is a full-size product from the Glossybox skincare line. They have their own brand, and it's a hydrating mist. It says tones, primes, and refreshes. I know this like just came out last year with their skincare collection. It says you can use to moisturize skin, prime before makeup application, and use during the day as an extra hydration boost, which I definitely will do. Number 14, we have a little mini product. This is by One Kind. It's a Perfectionist Refining Facial with a pink clay. So that one's a little small size. You could probably get a couple uses out of this mask. Number 15, this one is heavier. Let's see. Okay, so this, oh, there's 2 things in here. So this is by Fakai. I know this brand used to be on Ulta. It's a hair care brand. I don't know what happened to them. They like stopped selling there, I think, but we got their shampoo and conditioner. It says weightless amplifier for volume. I had one product from them that I really liked. It was like a beach spray. It smelled incredible. So I do think they have some good hair care products. So these, again, are pretty deluxe sizes, not exactly a full size. Number 16. Looks like a full-size eyeliner maybe. I Define High Definition Natural Waterproof Graphic Eyeliner. And I believe it is just a black shade. It says Meet Jolie. Okay, so it's a liquid liner then. Here's what it looks like. For number 17, we have a bigger box. We did get a full-size product here. This is by Earth Harbor. It's their Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule with sea, lavender, and ginseng. Again, this brand I get so much in different subscription boxes, so I don't usually get super excited about it. It's just not something that I really care for. Their stuff is very potent. But this one looks really pretty. It's like a fun purple color. I don't think I've gotten this exact one in any box yet. Number 18. We have 2 minis in here. This is by Ilamasqua, and we got two little Beyond Liquid highlighters. I don't know if they meant to send two or what, but it is in the shade OMG. Again, this is another UK brand that doesn't really sell much in the US anymore, so I think a lot of these products are definitely UK based, so that's probably why I'm not familiar with a lot of them. I will go ahead and swatch this highlight though. Ooh, that got a little more out than I was wanting, but I think this is going to be super bright. Yeah, that is an intense highlighter. Look at that. I got way too much product though, but it's gorgeous. Number 19, we have from, what is this? This is kind of cute. It says Deco Nail Lacquer Miami. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a cute little nail polish, and the shade is Tamale. It's a hot red. So pretty. That one's super fun. For number 20, we have another deluxe size. This one is First Aid Beauty. Love their stuff, and this is their Ultra Repair Cream, one of their best moisturizers. It's super thick, really great. Mostly I use it for the body. You can use it on the face if you have very dry skin, but I just love it like on my elbows, knees, all the places that get a little dry. So nice to have a little sample. Number 21. We have a couple different things in here. So this is the Vitabird C12 Dual Mask. It says brightening and luminous. And then it also came with this facial boosting water, which is a treatment essential toner. So I don't know if you're supposed to use them together or separate, but they did both come in there. But yeah, I haven't tried this brand, haven't heard of it, but they did include two, I think, full-size products. Number 22 is a mini size 111 Skin. This is their Restorative Cleansing Balm. So, love cleansing balms. I actually have not tried this from the brand. We get a lot of their stuff in Ipsy and BoxyCharm. But yeah, I haven't tried their cleansing balm yet. I know this brand is like insanely expensive. Number 23, we have, this is a Medicates. It says Cetera Luxe Lipid Vitamin C. It's an enhanced radiance serum. It says massage 6 drops and you use it before moisturizer. So I'm guessing it's just like a nice vitamin C serum. Number 24. So we got here from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. This is actually a fun product. We got a satin pillowcase from them. I love different, I think I have a couple of satin pillowcases or silk ones. I think satin's the least expensive one, but they're really good for your skin and your hair. I always use them on my pillowcases. This is just what it looks like. It's a pink one, really pretty. But yeah, I will not go back to regular like cotton pillowcases anymore. I love my silk and satin ones. And then we have the very last box to open. So the last box was an eyeshadow palette, as it should be. We got actually some brushes too. So the eye palette is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Rush palette. So we do get 2 mattes and 4 shimmers in here. Wander Beauty has some really pretty shimmers. I'm not always the biggest fan of their mattes, but they did include a palette. And we got 2 eye brushes as well from the brand Elena Badgerow. So we got like a little crease brush and then this like almost brow pointer kind of brush as well. And that is everything in the advent calendar for Glossybox. I have to say, I feel like last year's might have been better than this year's. I don't know. I'll have to link my video down below if you guys want to check it out. I mean, I'm sure this is a total value of $500 or so. A lot of these brands I'm just not familiar with, and I feel like there was a lot of deluxe sizes and not a lot of full sizes this year. I feel like last year there might have been more, and some well-known brands. All of these advent calendars should get the same products. If this is something that you like, you're intrigued, you think you'll use these things, again, link is down below. You can save $10 with my code. My personal thoughts on this, I'm not like super jazzed about it. I think if you guys already get subscription boxes like BoxyCharm and Ipsy, you probably don't need this advent calendar. I feel like this is more geared towards people who don't have a lot of makeup or skincare or are just wanting to try some new things. Because I personally don't feel like the value is that great. just because of all the deluxe sizes that are included. With advent calendars, it's always hard because I just feel like a lot goes into the packaging and making it look all cute and stuff. Let me know down below what you guys thought of this advent calendar. Is it something that you would get or not? I haven't had much luck with advent calendars lately. I would say my favorite one so far that I've received is probably the Huda Beauty one, but that one was pretty pricey. But it did include a lot of full-size products. Other than that, I haven't really tried a lot besides like the Bath & Body Works one I did. I don't know if I'll be doing any other ones this year. That's kind of my thoughts here on this advent calendar. I do feel like the products did start kind of strong in the beginning, and then they kind of went downhill from there. So I don't know if I mean, I'm assuming I opened it the right way since the last box was an eyeshadow palette. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I just kind of wanted to share this with you. If it was something that you're interested in getting, if the products look good to you, definitely grab it. But I will let you guys go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.